Thank you for calling Help and Support. This is Derek. How may I help you?
This is Khizar, and he tried scamming me despite the fact that I told him I was 63 years of age and suffered with anxiety. He scams for a company called Tech Frequently, who run pop-up scams to the UK, US and Australia. Hi Derek, I've got a message on my screen and it's beeping at me.
What message is that?
It's saying my computer's been blocked because the Windows registration key is illegal, and there's a few other different things.
Registration key is illegal?
And it's telling me to contact Microsoft on this number.
May I know your name, please?
Yes, my name's Angela.
Angela. Okay, Angela. And may I know what you were doing on your computer before getting this?
I was just trying to check my email.
Okay, and suddenly these things come up?
Exactly.
I am really sorry, ma'am. Your computer got logged by the server itself, okay? So your computer got logged by the Microsoft server, ma'am, okay? Because Microsoft itself found some kind of hacking problems on your computer network system. So due to that, Microsoft itself blocked your computer, ma'am, okay? So nobody can do anything wrong with your computer, alright?
Oh my god.
So, are you okay?
I'm just a bit worried, to be honest, because I have to use this computer for work on Monday.
Don't worry, I will be surely going to help you, okay? No need to worry, I just need a patience from you so I can go ahead and help you, okay?
Oh, okay, that would be great.
So you do one thing, have a look at your computer keyboard. You got a keyboard in front of you?
Yes, indeed, yes.
At the same time, press the letter R. R as in Randy. R for Roger.
Okay.
Press the R key together. H-E-L-P. Help. M-E. Me. Help me.
If I'm aware that I might sound a bit worried or scared, and that's just because I suffer with anxiety, so I apologise about that. My computer's just loading up the internet.
Yeah, press run. If you get options on run, then press run.
Okay, it's saying, do you want to allow the following program to make changes to this computer?
Yes. Okay. I'm really sorry to say that, ma'am, okay? As you can see, you got a message itself from the Microsoft, okay? Yes. And this is why, ma'am, because somebody might have tried to hack your computer, and that is the reasons you are getting this kind of message, okay?
Oh,
because your IP address is not at all safe, ma'am, okay?
Oh,
so do you do any online shoppings, any kind of online bankings, anything like that?
Sometimes.
Because the computer which you have, ma'am, it's a very good computer, okay? But on your computer, okay, you don't have any kind of hacking security. So that is the reasons you are facing these problems, ma'am, okay?
Oh,
so you have to get some sort of hacking security for your computer, so your computer get fully protected, okay? Because this is not at all protected, ma'am, okay? You got that?
Yes, I understand.
Because if you look over here, you see it is written as local address. You see, it is showing you a local address.
Yes, I see.
Yeah. So local address means you who always use this computer at your home, okay?
That's right.
That is the reason it's showing you a local address. If you look beside the local address, there is one foreign address. Do you see that?
Foreign address.
And foreign address means somebody is going to hack your computer from the foreign country, and that is why it's showing you a foreign address, ma'am, okay?
Oh my god.
So ma'am, as you're having a very good computer, you should use some hacking protections for your computer, ma'am, because in your computer you do not have any kind of hacking security. That is the reasons you are facing these problems, ma'am, okay?
Oh my god.
You have a very good computer. On this computer you don't have any kind of hacking protections. Have a look. These are the security your computer required, ma'am. The anti-hacking tools, firewall and network security, and you do not have any one of this security on your computer, okay?
Right, I've never seen that before.
Ma'am, you need to get this security on the computer, which is anti-hacking or firewall security, because as you do not have any one of the security, that's the reason some foreign hackers are trying to hack your computer, and your computer is getting blocked by the server itself, ma'am.
But okay? what would they want from me? Why would they hack me? Why would they what would they want to possibly get from me?
They are not okay. See what they can do for you, ma'am. Okay, they will be hack your computer. They will be misuse your computer, because you can see over here your computer itself generated lots of warnings and the error, ma'am. Okay, They will be
Yes.
misuse your IP address, and the cyber criminals will be come to you, ma'am, because this computer is under your name, Angela. Am I right?
That's right, that's my name, yes.
Yeah. So nothing to worry, ma'am. Okay. I will be surely going to help you to remove all the hacking stuff, so you should not face these problems anymore in future. Okay.
Okay.
So first of all, let me remove all the hacking problems from your computer, and I need to activate the securities on your computer, so your computer will be get safe and secure. And after that, you will be not going to you will be not going to face these problems anymore, ma'am. Okay?
That would be
You got
great.
that now?
That would be great if you could do that.
And now you need to tell me, ma'am, for how long shall I activate this security? Because this security comes for a durations, ma'am. Okay, one is come for 18 months, and one is come for a long, a lifetime purpose. And according to that, there will be just one time of charge involved. Is that okay for you?
How much will that be?
I will look over here. You can see it's come for one is come for 3 years, and one is lifetime. Are you a senior citizen?
Well, I'm 63.
Yes, sir, then you are senior citizen. Sorry, you don't sound like that, okay?
Oh, I appreciate that.
So, ma'am, you can see one is for 3 years and one is for a lifetime purpose.
Yes, okay.
And how old do you say this computer is?
I think 4 or 5 years old.
Okay, no problems. And this is the only one computer you have, or do you have any other computer apart from this?
And my husband has a laptop, but it's not really used that much.
Okay. Okay. Because 3 years will be cover only this computer, and the lifetime will be covered for a free computer. So in future, if you buy a new computer as well, so we will be covered that one as well for you at free of cost. Okay?
Oh, okay.
So you just tell me which one shall I provide you, ma'am. Okay.
Well,
The 3 years or a lifetime. So according to that, I will start my work.
if I get the lifetime, will that mean I never have to have this problem again?
Exactly, ma'am. You don't need to pay any more money for your future. Okay.
Okay. Well, I think we'll
Entire
go.
lifetime.
I think we'll go with the lifetime then.
And one more thing, like in future, as I told you, if you buy a new computer, we will be covered that one as well for you at free of cost, ma'am. Okay?
Yes, that's very good.
Just wait for a sec, please. Okay.
Okay. After this, the scammer asked me to make payment, so I provided him with some fake bank details. And after I provided him with the fake bank details, I was able to then turn the tables on him, reversing the connection and gaining access to his PC. Once he realised the banking information was fake and wasn't going to work, he didn't contact me again. But over the next few days, I observed him attempting to scam another victim, but luckily the would-be victim caught on. What message you have received? Tell me. How do you know, someone is trying to compromise your IP address? Like, how come you very much sure?
Sorry?
Like, how come you know somebody's trying to hack your IP address and all?
I'm getting this Windows security message Microsoft page. Was server number 5 asking for username password.
Okay, and when did you get this message? What you were doing on your computer? Like, what you were doing on your computer before getting this message? Thank you so much. And just hold on. May I know your name, please? How do you spell it? As you can see, for some reason, the scammer didn't like him being Indian. I'm not sure why this is, but shortly after this, you can see that the would-be victim actually disconnected the call. So the scammer was able to gain no money from this potential victim. Other than his name, there wasn't really much else I could find out about this scammer, because the PC that I had access to seemed to be some sort of throwaway call centre PC that they didn't really keep many personal files on. One thing I was able to do was edit their website. As you can see, I changed all the pages to have the title Bernjord, and then I copied and pasted the same few lines of text, simply stating, this website is run by scammers running a technical support scam. If you have paid this company, please call your bank and request your money back. I'm sure when the scammers behind this company see this, they are not going to be very happy. But what I did find was an Excel spreadsheet containing only 3 victims' details. These were all in the month of June this year, so I thought, why not give them a call and try and warn them that they've been scammed.
Hello?
Hello, is that
Speaking.
Hi, my name's Lewis. I work online and I fight scammers of all sorts.
Right.
Did you happen to recently pay someone over the phone for some technical support, or what they described as
Technical support? Yeah. I'm not totally sure what I got for it, really.
I can answer that question for you, and I'm not happy to say this, but absolutely nothing, unfortunately.
Yeah.
The reason I've got your number is because I basically prank called the scammer and managed to gain access to his computer, where he keeps a spreadsheet of all his customers, what I call victims' details. Okay.
Yeah.
So I just, may I just ask, what date was this that you had this call?
I could check.
Was it fairly recent?
Well, because my computer just went absolutely berserk, making noise and saying ring up the Microsoft Centre.
Yes.
And all that sort of stuff.
Well, if it was recent, I would please advise you to contact your bank and try and get your money back. Tell them that you've been scammed, unfortunately.
Okay.
But let me just give you some advice for the future, okay? If you ever see a message like that when you're on the internet again with a phone number, just hold the power button down on your computer, turn it back on, and it'll be gone.
Oh, right, okay.
It's
Fake.
Right, yeah, okay, right.
I'm really sorry to have to tell you this, but I just thought I'd let you know so you can hopefully get your money back, okay?
Okay. So you're from Microsoft, are you?
No, I'm independent. I work online to combat scammers.
Right, okay.
My name's Lewis. You can Google Lewis's Tech if you want to find out any more info about me.
Yeah, I mean, I did see mention of the company on the, yeah, so the work you did, like, on my computer, I mean, that's not, because he installed a couple of things, and I was just wondering what, those things that sort of, are a bit strange as to what he'd done.
Yeah.
No, I mean, the trouble is, that's such a thick accent, I couldn't really hear what he was saying. Well, I mean, the trouble is, when your computer's sort of like, obviously you can turn the sound down, but you do worry about what is going to happen, So he would have set that alarm off himself.
It's basically it's a website written maliciously in order to entrap people such as yourself who, no offence intended, aren't extremely computer literate. And
well, I'm not Windows 10 literate.
Yes.
But I mean, I hate Windows 10 personally. But no, I mean, I thought I was safe with just Windows Defender sort of protecting me.
You are. That's the thing, you are. And it's just literally a pop-up in a web browser. That's all it is.
Yeah, okay.
I'm really sorry to have to tell you that. I'm
sure it's not the best news you've had.
Many thanks. I'll contact her.
Just so you know, my calls are automatically recorded.
No, that's fine, yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye. Unfortunately, the other 2 victims whose details I found didn't pick up the phone. I did try a few times and leave them a voicemail, but I've also sent them both an email with numbers that they can contact me on should they want to speak to me over the phone about this. That's about it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to see future content similar to this. Goodbye.